So I'm gonna teach you how you can actually trade and make money with this strategy, trading NAS100. Now I've been using this for quite some time, and honestly I haven't released it yet, but as I feel like it is the time. And on top of that, guys, I will be showing you my live trades in this video. So I do want you guys to do me one huge favor and make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more valuable content to learn how to actually trade crypto and to trade Forex. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get to it. So I'm gonna just get straight into it and show you guys what's going on. But before we do that, for those that's not subscribed or for those that have not been watching my other series on this 5K to 50K challenge, please make sure you do that. As you see, this is a pop-up where we're currently at right now. I actually was just in a NAS100 trade, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did with this exact same growth right now. So make sure you guys check out that YouTube, pops up right there. Somewhere inside, I'm not sure, but the link is in the description. Otherwise, I appreciate y'all. Let's go ahead and go crazy. Your boy Solo, let's get into the charts, baby. All right, so if we look at my Discord, I pretty much called out NAS100 at 8:32 a.m. and I actually gave 3 TPs with a stop loss. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mark these in the chart so we can see what was hit and what will be hit in the long run. But right now, you know, TP1 did smash, which was this TP here, and we're looking to smash these 2 TPs with this actual signal that I did call out earlier in our VIP chat. Now if we look at this in our trading charts, pretty much before we go talk about everything else, I do want to mention what's going on. So right now this is the overall trade, but TP1 was literally roughly around this area here. It was really a quick scalp move, but you know, initially TP smash share. TP2 almost had hit, but it didn't. Right now it is doing a pullback. I know for sure we do have news happening earlier today, so that could be the reason on why we're seeing this manipulation going on, where we're just getting this bigger pullback, and basically it's trying to fake out all the sellers. So maybe if you come in the market selling, you might be faked out later on because of news. But we're looking on these 2 TPs to smash, and I'm gonna mention how how I get these trades and what I look for as far as getting in these trades. So really, when it comes to NAS100, I just focus on straight price action and market structure. I don't really look into anything else, just because you just really want to keep it simple. So when we look at this, we have NAS100. Now, when you guys start seeing all of these little wicks, when you start seeing prices going down, and once it's going down, you start noticing that you're getting these little wicks, you're getting these multiple wicks. That is the signal that you should look for the reversal. So if the market is already in a downtrend and the market does a quick little pullback, and in that pullback you get all of these rejections right here within the support area. So right now this is all support right here, right? So since this is all support right here, what I am initially looking at is if price is failing to break from this high and we're getting all of these wick rejections, then I'm just clearly looking for that simple sell off. And we got that sell off pretty much here. Now I'm currently in a 30-minute time frame. I really like to focus more on the 15-minute time frame as it's more accurate for me. But you know, just for instance right here, so seeing things like this with engulfing candles, that's all I need to enter in the market, and then I just ride it to the next previous lows, or I use my Fibonacci and ride it to the previous low. So like for instance, if we were to take this trade right here and get in this trade right here, you guys would see that our stop loss would initially be roughly around up here, and then TPs would initially be down here. Now when you take trades like this, if we just go ahead and play it out, as you see I already smashed it, and that's pretty much what I'm looking for at the very moment with this actual pair or indices. So if we go back and let's go ahead and exit out of this. Now if we go back and we just remove this temporary, you guys will notice something. You guys will notice that we have a lot of rejection here. Along with that, we have this area of structure with this support resistance area of structure. So when price bounced out of this and now price is trying to retest this area to confirm it, if we can have this remain above these highs, above this area of structure, above this support, which was resistance, then we can now get back in the market for another buy. So this will give me another signal to look for these buying setups. But before I get into that, I need to see rejection. I need to see rejection like this here, like this up here, or this here. As long as I can get rejection and the actual support or resistance area, then that's pretty much what I look for when it comes to sells or when it comes to buys. So that being said, you know, that's pretty much what we look for when it comes to NAS100 trades and all of that fun stuff. So right now we are currently in the trade now still. I did take all my TPs in one of my accounts, but one other account I am actually going to ride this long term and see what we can get. But ultimately, guys, like what I said, we have news. So when we go to forexfactor.com, you guys will see that 2 p.m., which is basically 2 p.m. standard time, I believe, my time, Central Time, we have FOMC. We have, honestly, we have a lot of big news going on from 2 to about 3 o'clock. And then after that, we have some major news going on with CAD, which I don't really trade a lot of CAD pairs. But when it comes to USD, we pretty much have these news. So this is what I tell all my students and tell everybody, is when you see news, heavy news coming about 30 minutes to an hour before, you really want to make sure you pay attention to the charts, because what's going to happen is manipulation. So let's say the market is going in your favor, and then after that, you will notice that market is doing something random. That's manipulation. So then when news come on, it's going to go right back in your favor. And so it's going to basically fake everybody out that's looking for those sells, when initially you should be looking for those buys. And that's the reason why I don't like trading during news, because of those reasons. But like what I said, for this instance, I am looking on these big moves to the upside, just because NAS been shooting up for quite some time, even though it is temporary. It is going down heavily. And like what I said, that's the reason why, is because we are getting news later throughout the day. So, you know, that is a huge reason on why. But other than that, that's pretty much what I have for NAS100. So you guys make sure you stay consistent with this, and just look at those wicks. Make sure those wicks are hitting previous support and previous resistance, and then you can use that in your favor to take these trades. So I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on. But other than that, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure that you hit that like button, and of course, show your boy some support, comment, and everything like that. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. It's your boy Solo. I'm out. If you ride away, Shawty ride away. If you ride away, I keep a baby on me. You don't want her to die today. Yeah, Shawty just ride away. Yeah, ride away. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride away. Yeah, I'm in a real ship. I'ma survive today. Yeah, if you want ride today, I'ma just ride away. Yeah, Shawty just ride away. Shawty just ride away. You coming with me 'cause you might not survive in it. I got the juice, I'm in a high ceiling. Just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign.